Welcome to Speaking Clearly, a pronunciation module. This module will cover the following topics, which are often tricky for Chinese speakers of English. The first topic is about pausing. Topic 2 covers stress and rhythm. In Topic 3, long and short vowel sounds will be discussed. Topic 4 is all about intonation. And Topic 5 is about dropped consonants. The aim of this module is to help you get a great grade in ELC oral assessments. Take a look at this generic ELC assessment rubric. Here you can see how the topics covered in this module are important for achieving a good grade. Before we move on to talk about how you can speak English more clearly, here's some information about how to use this video and the notes. When you see the pause sign, stop the video to do an activity from the notebook. The blue boxes will tell you the activity number to do.